I hate being broke. And let me be real with you. You know what? Let's be honest for a second. You know the money hacks people are shouting online. This is how to be successful. This is the things you need to do and all of that. They are not actually the things that are helping people out. And that's why in this video today, I'm going to give you the real money tips. And guess what? No one is talking about this. No one. These tips I'm about to give you are the ones people only whisper about in private group chats, VIP. I actually don't like talking about money, but once it comes to anything that can help my subscribers grow in all areas, including financial area, I would definitely talk about it. And today in this video, this one might actually change the way you handle money from next year. I mean, not even from next year. You just have to start implementing like right now. Tip number one is going to be stop chasing big money, start chasing big skills. I don't know if that makes sense. Do you want me to take that again? Stop chasing big money and start chasing big skills. And I'm gonna tell you why. You see others make 1 million in a week, make 1 million in a day, make 1 million in 1 month. All those kind of videos, avoid them. Forget about it. Do you know why? Because it's not realistic. You think about it. How on earth are you going to make 1 million naira in a week when you don't have anything already doing? It's literally hungry. It's so funny. I mean, it's literally a joke. As a matter of fact, if you say in 3 months, 4 months, or even 2 months, that could be a bit realistic. In 2026, money follows skills and not vibes. Learn one skills that people can't ignore. Editing, real estate management, social media management, AI tools, handwork. I mean, something you can charge for. Once you master a skill, money becomes predictable and not lucky. Now, tip number 2 is going to be the 2 accounts rule. This one is another secret that rich people use silently. They're so quiet about it because they don't want you to know, and this is how it is. I'm gonna tell you. Create 2 bank accounts, or if you have more than 2 bank accounts, now this is the time to properly structure them and know what is for what and which is for which. But for the sake of this video, let's focus on 2 bank accounts. Number 1 account could be for spending. Then the second account could be for savings, or should I say disappearing your money. Let's say you get a job, or you do something and you earn from it. Let's say you earn 100,000 naira. What you want to do is take out some money for spending, maybe for buying of things that you need and want. Then you could take out a portion of that money. It could be 20k, it could be 10k, depending on your need at that time, or 5k, or any amount. Then put it into your disappearing account, that account that you don't have access to. When money enters account 2, act like it doesn't exist. Trust me, this single habit will make you feel richer than you've ever felt. Money, they say, is a spirit. The way it goes is not the way it comes. You could be a millionaire today and tomorrow you're wondering, where did all that money go? So this 2 accounts rule will really help you out. Tip number 3, stop saving in naira only. I really don't know who needs to hear this, but in 2026, if you're only saving in your local currency, you're only stressing yourself out. Save in dollars, pounds, or even USDT or euro, whatever works for you, because this would definitely protect your money from losing value while you sleep. Tip number 4 for me has to be treat your phone like a business too. Your phone can make you a lot of money, so much money than you ever realize. I remember when I quit my 9 to 5, the hustle and bustle and all of that, just to focus on remote jobs. I didn't have a laptop or anything. I used just my iPhone. And with that phone alone, as of that time, when I started editing videos for people and doing all of that and charging for that, I was able to make as much money than my 9 to 5 would ever pay me, just from the comfort of my home. So I want you to see your phone as a tool that you can monetize, not just for taking pictures or random storing of memories and all of that. It can make you money. Record content, offer services, join global communities, sell digital courses. I mean, there's a lot to be done. Stop using your phone to only scroll, check out Instagram, check out celebrity gist and all of that. And the funny thing is, the more you're checking out on this other people, the more they're making money. Stop scrolling and start using. I'm telling you this for a fact. If you use your phone correctly for 6 months, your bank account will change. Number 5, build a money system and not vibes. Rich people don't rely on motivations and prayers, they rely on systems. Set automatic savings. I was so bad at savings, guys. That character prolonged into when I become self-employed. I could make a lot of money in a month and I I can't even tell how the money went. I don't know how I spent it. I don't have any savings, which was really so bad, and it put me in a lot of difficulties until I realized that that is not the best life, because you will always be falling back to level 1 or level 0 without any savings. But when you have savings, you have something to fall back to. So set bill reminders and track your weekly savings. Track your weekly savings. Oh my god, this is another one that I really want to talk to you guys about. If you're buying something right now, you know that, okay, because sometimes, let me just be honest with you, that we do a lot of pleasure shopping. We could see something on the road. I can't even count the amount of time that I've purchased something, and it's not even as if I need that thing like urgently. Sometimes there's a glass I bought here, and I'm literally just looking at it right now. I'm staring at that glasses. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy nice things for yourself, but do you actually need it? Like, is it really important right now? I believe that when you track your spendings, you get to understand yourself, you get to understand your money, what you spend on and what you don't spend. When I was in secondary school, I believe just 3 or just 2, they taught me this thing. It's called needs and wants, and I can't believe how much importance this is right now for me in my life currently, because you need to understand what are the things that you need to spend money on, and the things that are just like wants. The needs are the things that are very vital, the things that you actually need, not the things that you just want for wanting's sake. Now, under building a money system, you have to choose a day every month to review your finances. It could be every end of the month or the first week of the month, or I don't know, depends on you, how you earn and all of that. Choose a day every month to review your finances, because it is literally very important. And this is because when money becomes organized, it multiplies. Tip number 6 would be make money while you sleep. I used to think that this was unachievable. Anytime I hear it, I'm like, how do people even make money while they sleep? Like, is that even possible? Until I was able to attain that level of success, and I could tell you that has been the best thing ever. No one is talking about this enough, because in 2026, your 2026 goal should be digital products or passive income, ebook, presets, courses, templates, content packs, affiliate links, or even YouTube, something that earns you money while you sleep or when you're offline and don't even feel like coming online. These things I just mentioned are just big. If you don't do this, you will work forever till you're 60, and you will work and work and work until you're, I don't want to use the D word, but some people's form of passive income could be real estate, investing in lands, buying properties, so that when they are asleep, hi baby, I'm filming and my baby is actually here just chilling. So it could be real estate, it could be anything, it could be whatever you call passive income. Once you can earn money from that while you're asleep, when you're offline, that is a passive income. That is what we call a smart money move, and could save you when it comes to retirement time. Tip number 7, your environment is either making you broke or rich. Sometimes it's not as if you're lazy, you're just surrounded by people who have small minds, small thinking abilities. I remember cutting one of my friends off just because of something simple like this. I mean, she literally just made a statement, and I had to cut her off because I know what that did to my mental health. And I'm going to tell you guys the story. We're walking down the street, just evening stroll, and all of a sudden this car passed us by, and I was like, oh my god, this is my dream car. I love this G-Wagon, I love this car, I'm going to get it in the future. And she was like, let me hear, who give you the money? No. She was just like saying all manner of negative remarks as if it was impossible to achieve. And I was like, what? That is an example of someone who is small-minded, someone who doesn't think that they can achieve some level of success. Like, they don't believe something like that can happen. They've never even dreamt of something big like that. I mean, that is even so little. Sometimes I don't know who said this. Oh my god, if you know, guys, let me know down in the comments. Someone literally said, if your dreams cannot scare you or are not able to scare you, then they're not big enough. Literally. I can't even remember who said this. I know it's in a book called Think Big, Act Small. Something like that. I'm going to get it. I don't know. I forgot it. When I started my YouTube, I told a friend of mine, this friend that I just spoke about, previously, I told her that I'm gonna get my channel monetized. I want to get it monetized, and she was like, "Oh my god!" For her channel, it took her like 5 years or about 5 years to achieve that. And I said, "I know that's a long time. I'm gonna work really hard so that I can get my channel monetized under 2 years or not more than 2 years." And she was like, "That's impossible." And we did it in a year and a half, not even up to 2 years. I mean, you just need to have that mindset that you can get something done, that you want something, then the universe can just gravitate around and get your dream closer to you. That's what I believe, and it works. Start following people who motivate you instead of the ones who demotivate you. Start hanging around people who talk about growth, people who have this energy in them that just want to succeed. Let me tell you something, your environment is a silent money killer. It will either make you or break you. Now, that's the last tip, but let me give you a bonus tip. The last tip, the bonus tip. Save your money in savings accounts. Listen, save your money in savings accounts. Don't just dump your money in your account to just be growing. Save it in a savings account. That way you get additional interest added to it every end of the month. It's way better than just leaving your money in your bank account. Once you have about 200k, 100k, as little as 100k, put it in a savings account and watch your money grow. Watch it germinate. Alright guys, so if you learned anything on this video today, in the comments drop 2026 remove. Drop it down in the comments so that I will know that you watched this video till the end. I honestly have more juicy tips that no one is sharing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. But for now, bye.